Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to SolidEdge tutorial 3. In this tutorial we are going to learn about the mounting boss and the bend command. For this, first of all, open the part from the part library. SolidEdge V20. Under the heading of training, we will select our required part. Click on the open. You can see the part has been opened. All the feature by which the part has been evaluated clearly shown on the left hand side under the feature tree. So first of all, we will see how to modify the part. First of all, we will modify the protrusion. So simply click on the protrusion. Go to. Now you can see by clicking on to go to, only the protrusion command is visible. Click next. Click on to the edit definition. Now all the dimension has been clearly shown. Click on the protrusion extent. Now click on the non-symmetric extent. So one side is extent 55. Press enter. Click on the next side, that is 65. Go to enter. So now you can see clearly seen the one side of the extent is 55 mm and second side is the 65. Before that the total extent is 120 and both the extent is symmetric. Now the extent is non-symmetric. Go to next. Before finishing the part, click on the protrusion treatment step. You can see under the heading of protrusion treatment there are three different options. One is the protrusion non treatment, second is the draft, and third one is the crowning. So we will select the crowning. Go to next. A dialog box will open. Here you can see the first option is direction 1. So under direction 1 we have to define the radius. The radius is 300 mm. In the direction 2 also define the radius, and radius dimension is 300 mm. Now we can also flip the dimension. So click on OK. Now the dimension clearly shown that the crowning dimension either it can be inward or it can be the outward. Go to next. Click on preview. The part has been created. Click on the finish button. Go to next step is go to the round 2. Go to next is you can see that now the part is open like this with boolean feature thin wall, and after all that the final part that has been created like this. So click save this part, save as. Go to next. Now go on to the top XY plane and show. Now the top XY plane is visible. Go to next. Now select the mounting boss command. So first of all we have to select the plane. So I have to select a plane parallel to this top XY plane at a distance of 12 mm. The plane can be outward or inward. I have to select the plane at a distance of 12 mm in the direction. So this way. Now click on the mounting boss. So this will dialog will pop up. Now define the dimensions. We have to define the boss diameter 8 mm, mounting hole 3 mm, hole depth should be 6 mm, ribs should be 4, offset should be 3 mm, each rib grade draft angle 5 degree, the extent of the rib should be 3, taper angle 10 degree, thickness of the rib is 1 millimeter. Draft angle should be 2 degree. Save as MB1. Click save and OK. Now place all the go to next. Return. It will ask about the direction, upward or downward. So go to the mounting bows command. First of all, we have to select go to the mounting bows command. We have to select the plane. We have to select a plane parallel to this plane, the distance of 12. Now go to the feature. So under the heading MB1, these parameters are visible. Okay. Click return. It will ask about the direction, upward or downward. To create downward, so go to next and finish. Click save. You can see 4 mounting has been created. Now hide the top XY plane. Go to the next step. Go to the sketch 1. Show sketch 1. You can see clearly. Go to the next. Click on the vent command. Now it will ask about the dimension. So you can see these are the some parameters required for the vent command. Click OK. Go to next. Now select the external body. Place the cursor over this element and select OK. Go to next. Now select the 5 liner element to define the ribs. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Go to next. Accept. Now define the vertical liners. 3 liners, 1, 2 and 3. Accept. Now position the cursor up or down. Up. Go to next and then finish. The vent has been created. Now go to next. Click save. Hide the sketch 1. Next. Now click on the round and unsuppress the round tool. Go to next. Save the file. So the final part has been created similar to the part.